So you're bringing out the tea. You're going to go ahead and bring out the garbage?
Yeah, it's only 2 bags.
Yeah. Well, I guess you have to do it now if you wanted to take care of business.
You do so much.
I like the way you flip the bag.
Oh yeah. You do so much, Ray. The least that I can do. And you do have to show me how to bleed the furnace.
Okay.
When you put the water in it, are you bleeding it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right.
Tell me what you.
Got the garbage. Mm-hmm.
Tell me something good. Can I take out this one too?
If it has garbage in it,
Yeah, but it's not full.
you can pour that into the other one. I know you're going to put some shoes on when you go out there.
Oh yeah, I have boots. I've got boots. Where are your gloves?
I'll get them for you.
Thanks.
Okay.
And do it while I have the get up and go before the get up and go. Get up and go.
I hear you.
Get up and go. Wait a minute. Oh my get up and go.
You going to put a jacket on?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go get your jacket. Oh, you're putting on those big boots. Programs.
Something good. I see some gloves.